Need to fix a flat, change a tire? Well, here's a quick solution. My front tire got a hole in it on the way, or I have to give credit to my wife. She noticed the leak, so it's on the back side wall. So I roll up on the opposite tire and I'll change this one.
Come on, give it some power. Stop!
Good. All right, hold that.
It's a little loud.
Asher, your turn. Hold the trigger. Pull it. Ready? Oh. Good. Silas, you want to do it? Yeah, you can help again. All right. Side. Your turn. I got the lug nuts on now. I do need to verify with a good torque wrench on the side of my camper tells me how tight to make them, but this honestly took me about 7 minutes by the time I backed up on it, swapped out the tire, and that was with it. So easy, 3 products I'd keep on your camper.